What's up YouTube? Internet Income Ninja with another video, and in this video I am going to show you how you can earn anywhere between $20 to $65 per gig per hour writing. Alright, so as you can probably guess, the name of this site is Writer's Work, and it is a site that hosts jobs or gigs, and it allows writers from all over the world to submit their entries for these jobs, write, and when they write their gigs or jobs and send them in, they get paid for them. It's easy, it's simple in theory, and it all depends on the quality of work you produce. So, if writing is something you're trying to get into, something you're into, or something you're really good at, then this is probably the site for you. And you can literally, as it says here, write your way to the life you want. And especially in this day and age where social distancing is a big thing, where you sometimes can't even go to the office to work, you can work from home. This could be full-time or part-time. Alright, so what is Writer's Work? Like I said, it's a site that hosts jobs. What they do is they search the internet for different writing jobs, so you don't need to look anywhere for these gigs. You can just be there and know that these jobs are coming into you. You just need to select the ones that you fancy. Right? It says, or they say, that they welcome people from all stages of writing. So you could be a beginner, intermediate, expert, Nobel, whatever prize winner. I don't know, Pulitzer Prize, rather. You can come on here. Now, the reason they're able to accept people of any skill level is because they actually offer free trainings, or they offer career training videos. So from these videos you can actually learn what is required of you as a writer, what quality they're looking for, and you could meet those credentials. So they do have a 30-day money back guarantee. Now there's a 30-day money back guarantee because you would have had to put some money up. Alright? Writer's Work will charge you for a one-time fee of $94, but if you act now and you are able to see this video during this period, you could actually get your one-time fee for $47. Otherwise, you'd pay a monthly fee of $15. Now, it doesn't say how long these monthly fees go for. If it's 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, indefinitely, 1 month, well, definitely not 1 month. But they didn't say, but in my opinion, to pay once is probably better than having to pay monthly for an extended period of time. That's just my 2 cents. You can work with whatever you are working with. Everybody's situation is different. Maybe you only have $15 to your name right now. Who knows? So they do accept Visa, MasterCard, Discover Card, American Express, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Alright? So, frequently asked questions. I'm not a professional writer yet. Can I still join? Absolutely. We welcome writers of all skill levels. Our tools and resources, like the University Library, so they have a library, help guide you on your way to a career as a freelance writer. Not to mention, our document editor has a built-in grammar and style checking to make sure you are always sending top quality work to your clients. So they have their own spell check, they have their own grammar check software embedded in Writer's Work platform. If I choose the pay once pricing, will I ever have to pay again? You will never have to pay another cent for your Writer's Work membership. This is by far the best deal and definitely the most popular. Just like the monthly plan, you never pay for updates of any kind to our software, and we are always releasing cool new features and updates. If you have any questions, can you talk to someone? So they have a support staff. You can contact them anytime. What happens if you're not happy with the Writer's Work app? So it's an application. While we think we've built one of the best tools for freelance writers on the web, we understand that freelance writing may not be for everyone. That's why we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. And if you're ever feeling stuck, our Rockstar support is available to help at a moment's notice. So my assumption is after 30 days, they're not going to give you your money back. Alright, so that's something to consider. Here's a great question. What's the difference between Writer's Work and other platforms? Most writers have to manage a slew of apps, software, and profiles in order to find jobs, manage projects, store documents, and advance their writing career. Writer's Work is the only platform that handles all of your needs all in one dashboard. And like I said, where do our gigs come from? We have established partnerships with some of the leading writing job companies on the web. We are constantly expanding our database to offer our members the best available opportunities. We give you the ability to filter only the jobs you want most and get instantly notified when new jobs come online. Using Writer's Work is a huge competitive advantage. So as you can see, they are taking all of the risk out of it. You get your training once you sign up. They hand the jobs to you, so you don't have to go out searching everywhere to find a job, a writing job. And like I said, compared to other platforms or apps, it's a very low application fee, if you want to call it that. So $15 a month, $97 one time upfront. You can't get any better than that. No risk, all skill levels welcome. You could be a complete noob, a complete newbie. Go through their training, you'll know what to do. Their software helps you with spell check and grammar check anyways. If you ask me, this is a no-brainer. Earn anywhere between $20 to $65 per hour. I mean, clearly that's dependent on the job and on the quality of work you provide, but anywhere between there is a lot better than no money at any point in time. So like I said, this could be full-time or part-time. And if you look to the left here, people are signing up. People are signing up. People are checking the website out. See, Tori C recently signed up for Writer's Work. That was a day ago. There are people starting a writing job. There are people who may not necessarily be writers, but they're creative and they can transfer their creativity into words. You could be a writer and feeling like you've hit a wall. Open a door and stop hitting the wall with Writer's Work. And by the way, if you like the content, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe. And there are some links below to some ways that you can earn more passive income than sitting at your laptop chucking away at your keys. These are not necessarily easy, just set the thing and leave it, but if you put the work in, say an hour or two per day, you can yield higher results than having to spend each and every hour earning money per hour. You don't need to sell your time for money. You can start a business that generates money regardless of how much time you sit at your laptop. So, if that's something that you're interested in, check the links below. There are landing pages that ask for your name and email addresses. These aren't anything spammy or anything like that. It's just so that we can update you on what's happening, on what's new, what's to come. If there's any changes in the market, we'll let you know through email. So that's all that is. We're not going to sell your information or anything like that. It's safe. So enter your name, email address, sign up, check out the free videos, check out the free webinars, and make your decision. See you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Take care.